Imagine a world where giants roam, towering beasts that shake the earth with every step. But what if I told you that the ancestors of today's elephants were once no bigger than a pig? That these mighty creatures, rulers of the savanna and jungle, came from humble beginnings. This is the untold story of how elephants became the colossal, intelligent titans we know today. The first elephants. The story of elephants begins over 60 million years ago, shortly after the dinosaurs vanished. Their earliest ancestors were nothing like the massive creatures we see today. One of the first known species was Moeritherium, a small, semi-aquatic mammal that lived in swamps and riverbanks. It had no trunk, no tusks, just a long snout and a body adapted for wading through water. But evolution had big plans for these creatures. Over millions of years, their bodies grew larger, and their teeth adapted for grinding tough vegetation. Then, around 37 million years ago, a remarkable transformation took place. The rise of the giants. Enter Moeritherium, a hippo-like ancestor of modern elephants. Though still semi-aquatic, it had started developing early tusks and a more flexible snout. But the real game-changer came with the arrival of Paleomastodon, an elephant-like creature with elongated tusks and a trunk that helped it grab food and drink water more efficiently. As Earth's climate changed, some of these elephant ancestors left the wetlands and ventured into forests and grasslands. This shift forced them to adapt. Their bodies became larger, their legs grew longer, and their trunks? They became an evolutionary masterpiece, the power of the trunk. The elephant's trunk is one of nature's most astonishing adaptations. Made up of 40,000 muscles, compared to just 600 in the human body, it became a tool for survival. Early elephant relatives, like Moeritherium, used their trunks to grab leaves, pull up plants, and even communicate. But evolution was not done yet. As time went on, elephants developed larger ears to help cool their massive bodies, and their tusks. They grew longer and stronger, becoming powerful weapons against predators and rivals. The age of giants, mammoths and mastodons. About 5 million years ago, some elephant relatives became truly gigantic. The woolly mammoth roamed icy landscapes, covered in thick fur to survive the cold. Meanwhile, American mastodons thrived in forests, using their curved tusks to strip bark from trees. These giants ruled for millennia, until something unexpected happened. Climate change, combined with human hunting, drove them to extinction around 10,000 years ago. But their closest relatives survived, leading to the elephants we see today. The modern elephant, nature's masterpiece. Today, only 3 species of elephants remain. The African savanna elephant, the largest land animal on Earth, growing up to 13 feet tall and weighing over 12,000 pounds. The African forest elephant, smaller and more elusive, adapted to dense rainforests. The Asian elephant, known for its intelligence and deep bonds within its herds. Elephants have some of the best eyesight among large land animals, detecting movement from far distances. Their bite force isn't for crushing bones, but for grinding tough vegetation with immense power. And their memory? Legendary. They can remember water sources from decades ago, helping them survive in the harshest conditions. Are elephants still evolving? The story of elephant evolution is not over. Scientists have noticed tuskless elephants becoming more common in areas where poaching is rampant, proof that natural selection is still at work. Their behaviors, intelligence, and even their communication methods continue to evolve. What will elephants look like in 100,000 years? Will they grow even larger? Or will they shrink to adapt to a changing world? One thing is certain, evolution never stops. From tiny, water-loving ancestors to the towering titans of today, elephants have conquered time itself. But with habitat loss and poaching threatening their future, will they continue to thrive? Like and subscribe to Animal Evolution to uncover more incredible transformations in the animal kingdom. And stay tuned, because in our next episode, we will explore the evolution of another legendary creature,